Woodworking doesn't have to drain your wallet. Today, I'm showing you 15 precision tools that deliver professional results without costing a fortune. Whether you're just starting out or you've been building for years, these budget-friendly picks will help you work smarter, cleaner, and faster. All right, let's dive in. Number 1. Cutting perfect circles doesn't have to be complicated. The Milescraft 1219 Circle Guide Kit makes it easy. With a cutting range from tiny 1.5-inch circles all the way up to 52 inches, you can handle small crafts or big tabletops. Both jigs come with built-in metric and imperial scales, plus a clear readout window, so setting your diameter is quick and accurate. It attaches fast with the turn-and-lock guide head, and the bonus offset base adds stability when you're finishing edges. Oversized knobs give you better control, and the patented design means tool-free changes. Affordable, precise, and versatile, this kit is a real game changer for any woodworker. Number 2. If carving is your thing, this deluxe wood carving kit has you covered. It's a 25-piece set. Chisels, whittling knives, detail knives, even a hammer and sharpening tools. Everything you need for spoon carving, detailed craft work, or just exploring your creativity. The blades are stainless steel, reinforced to stay sharp longer so cuts feel smooth and precise. And the walnut handles? Comfortable, non-slip, and easy on your hands. Plus, it all packs neatly into a durable leather roll bag with straps, perfect for carrying or keeping safe at home. Safety gloves are included too, so beginners can carve with confidence. Affordable, complete, and built to last, this kit is a solid choice for any woodworker.
Number 3. Strong, clean joints without the hassle. This biscuit joiner packs an 8.5 amp motor running at 12,000 revolutions per minute, so cuts are fast and precise. You can adjust angles from 0 to 90 degrees with multiple depth settings, perfect for number 0, number 10, or number 20 biscuits. It even comes with a dust bag to keep your workspace clear and a starter kit of 100 biscuits right out of the box. The carbide-tipped blade is durable, and the anti-slip handle gives you comfort and control. Whether you're building furniture, cabinets, or panels, this joiner makes alignment easy and keeps your projects solid.
Number 4. Clamping panels doesn't have to be a struggle. These 4-way pressure clamps apply force from all sides, top, bottom, and both edges, at the same time. Unlike pipe or bar clamps that can bow or rack your boards, this system keeps everything flat and secure. With a simple turn of the handle, pressure draws in evenly, preventing buckling and giving you a perfect glue-up. Adjustable notched bars let you handle boards up to 6 inches thick, and side pads protect your stock from damage. Wide shelves, tabletops, or panels, you can glue them up with confidence. Each pack comes with 2 full clamp assemblies, so you're ready for bigger projects right away. Number 5. Moisture can ruin a woodworking project before it even begins. That's why the Klein Tools ET140 pinless moisture meter is such a smart addition to your shop. Instead of poking holes in your boards, this meter uses electromagnetic field technology to detect moisture up to 3/4 of an inch below the surface. It's non-destructive, quick, and accurate. Calibrated for drywall, masonry, hardwood, and softwood, it gives you reliable readings across the most common building materials. A reverse contrast display makes numbers easy to see, and 9 LED bars show the moisture range at a glance. It even includes handy features like a hold function, auto power off, and low battery indicator. Whether you're checking lumber before a glue up, inspecting drywall for leaks, or testing masonry after flooding, this tool helps you catch problems early, protect your projects, and work with confidence.
Number 6. Cutting wood with speed and accuracy is easy with the Skills Circular Saw. This saw is powered by a 15-ampere motor that delivers 5,300 revolutions per minute, giving you the strength and precision to handle tough jobs. It comes with a 7¼ inch carbide-tipped blade, and thanks to the spindle lock, changing blades is quick and simple. The bevel capacity goes up to 51 degrees, with a positive stop at 45 degrees, so angled cuts are no problem. A built-in dust blower keeps your cutting line clear, improving visibility and accuracy. Safety is built in too, with a guarded trigger, a lock system, and a power-on indicator to help prevent accidental starts. Whether you're trimming lumber, building furniture, or tackling home projects, this saw combines affordability, power, and precision, making it a reliable tool for any woodworking shop.
Number 7. Dust collection can make or break your shop, and the Dust Stopper Pro is engineered to keep things clean and efficient. Unlike systems that chase high cubic feet per minute, this low-profile separator is optimized for maximum dust separation. Too much airflow can create turbulence, but the Dust Stopper's design eliminates those eddy currents, giving you cleaner results. By capturing dust before it reaches your vacuum, you save money on filters and bags. Your investment pays for itself quickly. It fits standard 5-gallon buckets with a pre-installed industrial-grade gasket, so setup is simple and leak-free. No assembly, no hassle. The kit even includes 2 patented high-flow sweep elbows and a connection hose, designed to reduce restriction and improve performance. Whether you're sanding, routing, or cutting, this system keeps your workspace clear, your tools running longer, and your projects dust-free. Affordable, practical, and built for real woodworkers, the Dust Stopper Pro delivers. Number 8. For trim work and furniture building, precision matters, and the Metabo HPT brad nailer delivers exactly that. This lightweight pneumatic tool accepts 18-gauge brad nails ranging from 5/8 of an inch up to 2 inches, giving you flexibility for a wide range of finishing applications. At just 2.2 pounds, it's easy to handle all day without fatigue, and the ergonomic design keeps you comfortable even on tough jobs. A selective actuation switch lets you choose between bump fire and sequential fire modes, so you stay in control. Depth adjustments are tool-free, with a simple dial that ensures a professional finish every time. The no-mar tip protects your workpiece, while the reload indicator prevents blank drives. A 360-degree adjustable exhaust keeps dust and debris away, and the easy clear nose makes jam removal quick. Reliable, precise, and built for pros, this brad nailer is a shop essential. Number 9. For smooth finishes and fast sanding, the Dongcheng Random Orbital Sander is built to perform. Its 380-watt copper motor delivers between 8,000 and 12,800 oscillations per minute, with 6 variable speed settings. That means you can fine-tune power for wood, metal, or polishing tasks. The 5-inch sanding pod covers large surfaces quickly, and the hook and loop design makes changing sandpaper fast and simple. Dust control is handled by a composite collection box and a sealed switch, keeping your workspace clean and extending tool life. You can even connect it to a vacuum for longer sessions. At just 3.1 pounds, the balanced design reduces vibration, while the ergonomic rubber grip gives you comfort and control, whether sanding horizontally or vertically. With 20 sheets of sandpaper included, this sander is ready to deliver clean, professional results right out of the box. Number 10. Strong joints and clean angles are easy with the Vivor Pocket Hole Jig Kit. Built from precision-machined aluminum alloy, the body is durable, smooth, and resistant to wear and corrosion. A stainless steel extension rod adds stability, so even long boards clamp firmly without shaking or slipping. The system adapts to drilling depths from 1/2 inch up to 1 1/2 inches, with clear dual metric markings to guide you. A titanium-plated 2-step drill bit, complete with a stop ring, ensures smooth, accurate holes every time, while the chip outlet prevents clogging. The jig can be used in multiple ways, fixed with the included fixture or detached as a portable angled clamp tool. With 34 pieces, including a C-clamp, drill bits, stop rings, wrenches, and a toolbox, this kit is versatile, reliable, and ready for carpentry projects. For DIY or professional work, it delivers precision and power. Number 11. Safety and precision go hand in hand, and the GRR Ripper Plus by Microjig is designed to deliver both.
This fully adjustable 3-dimensional push block works with table saws, router tables, band saws, and jointers, keeping your hands protected while giving you complete control of the material. With the enhanced Safe Rip kit, cuts are faster, cleaner, and safer, preventing accidental blade contact. Powerful downward, inward, and forward pressure virtually eliminates kickback, reduces burning, and ensures smooth results. The proprietary green GRR Rip surface grips hardwoods, plywoods, and even plastics with confidence, and it comes backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Small, delicate cuts are often the most challenging, but with this system, you can rip material down to 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch with surgical accuracy. More than a push block, it's a moving blade guard for your health and safety, making every cut precise, stable, and secure. Measuring has never been easier, thanks to the Lexavon 2-in-1 digital laser tape measure. This innovative tool combines a 130-foot laser distance meter with a 16-foot auto-lock tape measure, giving you the best of both worlds. With smooth single-button operation, you can quickly take long-distance laser measurements, then switch between feet, inches, fractions, millimeters, or meters with ease. Precision is built in. The large backlit LCD screen displays fractional and continuous measurements accurate to plus or minus 1/16 of an inch, even at distances up to 130 feet. The rugged case is made from high-impact rubberized ABS with an anti-skid design, while the auto-lock tape mechanism keeps the blade secure. A 3/4 inch dual-sided print scale with nylon coating and a true zero magnetic hook adds comfort and reliability. Compact, durable, and versatile, this tape measure is a smart upgrade for any toolbox. Precision measuring is simple with the Nico 12-inch electronic digital caliper. With the press of a button, you can switch instantly between inches, fractions, and millimeters. No need for manual conversions. The measurement range extends from 0 to 12 inches, or 0 to 300 millimeters, with resolution down to 5/10,000ths of an inch, 1/128th of an inch, or 1/100th of a millimeter. Accuracy is guaranteed within 1/1000th of an inch, or 2/100ths of a millimeter, making it ideal for fine woodworking, metalworking, or engineering tasks. Crafted from polished stainless steel, the frame slides smoothly with a knurled thumb roller and locking screw for secure positioning. 2 sets of jaws and a depth probe let you measure inside, outside, step, and depth dimensions. A large LCD screen ensures easy visibility, and the kit includes a spare battery plus a fitted storage case for protection. Number 14. Installing cabinet hardware with accuracy is simple when you use the Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro. This professional-grade jig is designed to eliminate the guesswork, giving you precise placement for knobs and pulls every time. It accommodates hardware from 1 3/4 inches up to 12 inches center to center, with a reversible design that works perfectly on both doors and drawers. Built-in stops and intuitive adjustments make results consistent and repeatable across projects, whether you are a do-it-yourself builder or a professional woodworker. The precision-engineered drill guides ensure clean, accurate holes, while the extra-large capacity makes it versatile enough for cabinets, furniture, or creative builds. Easy to set up and simple to use, this jig saves time, reduces mistakes, and delivers professional results. With Kreg's reputation for accuracy and innovation, you can install hardware with confidence, knowing every piece will be aligned and positioned perfectly.
Number 15. Every workshop needs a solid vise, and the WorkPro Bench Vise delivers strength, stability, and versatility. With jaws measuring 4 1/2 inches wide, this utility combination vise can securely hold flat materials, pipes, or tubes without slipping or scratching. Made from high-quality gray iron, it's built to withstand heavy use and tough jobs. Installation is simple, and once mounted, it provides a stable base for woodworking, metalworking, or home projects. The swivel base rotates 240 degrees, locking into position for greater accuracy and ease of use, so you don't need to constantly reposition your workpiece. A large anvil area adds extra functionality,
while the throat depth of 2 and 11/32 inches, jaw opening of 3 3/4 inches, and clamping force of up to 2,204 pounds make it powerful enough for demanding tasks. Durable, versatile, and reliable, this vise is built to last.